Hi, we're the Austin Code Department, and we're here to provide effective community education to build a greater and safer Austin. Recently, the Austin City Council adopted the 2015 International Property Maintenance Code and issued some local amendments to it, one relating to carbon monoxide alarms, and it takes effect on April 1st, 2018. Here are the four components of the new code. Number 1. Installation and maintenance. A carbon monoxide alarm must be installed and maintained consistent with the manufacturer's specifications. Number 2. Location. In a dwelling unit, a carbon monoxide alarm must be installed outside of each separate sleeping area and in the immediate vicinity of each sleeping area. A carbon monoxide alarm must be installed within a sleeping area if a fuel burning or solid fuel appliance is located within a sleeping area, a bathroom attached to the sleeping area, or a garage attached to the sleeping area. Number 3. Combination alarms. A carbon monoxide alarm that is part of a smoke alarm complies with this code. Number 4. Power source. Except as otherwise provided, a carbon monoxide alarm in a dwelling must receive its primary power from the commercial power source wired into the structure, and must be equipped with a battery backup. Wiring must be permanent and, except as required for overcurrent protection without a disconnecting switch, a carbon monoxide alarm must emit a signal when the batteries are low.